And she would like to know, Tina, about a time when you didn't have enough data to make a decision. What did you do? How did you handle that situation?
I think that's a great question. I would actually say most of the time you don't have enough data because you don't have like a full grasp of everything that's happening, right? And what it really is you take advantage of the things that you have. You also take advantage of domain knowledge and intuition. Data science is an art as much as it is a science, as well as you try to understand things like you try to gather knowledge from the people around you as well, and that really helps drive a lot of what you can do. And actually, interesting a lot enough, one of the teams I was working on previously, there was no data because we were starting from scratch. And what's fascinating is that's really when you start realizing that is the scientific method, right? Even when you don't have any data, it's about thinking through a problem, having a hypothesis, testing that out, as with whatever it is that you have, and then just kind of reiterating throughout this process. So to answer your question, maybe it's like not as specific as it would like to be, but it's just think through the problem and then use whatever resources it is that you have and understand that even when you have a lot of data, the decision is never absolute. So you just make your best guess, and then when you actually, since you have the hypothesis, you can start testing things out, and maybe you were wrong, right? But at that point, you would know that you're wrong. You would have the data that you're wrong, and then you can keep refining from there.